bags that I'm going to be showing you. I know this is a huge bag. Is it huge? Let's see. So in this makeup bag, there's a bigger bag here, and zip it. And the first thing you see is a makeup bag. So this makeup bag, I got this from Miss A, and inside of this there's a eyeshadow and an eyeliner. So the thing is, everything never be organized in this bag. It always be in different bags. So and this bag has more stuff. So this bag is from Sephora. This makeup bag is from Sephora, and inside of this is like a sponge, a makeup sponge. Then we have a liquid makeup eyeliner. Next we have a big highlighter. So this is a big highlighter. Next we have, did I show you this? Eyeliner. Next we have a ColourPop makeup, lipstick. Then I have a bunch of these ColourPops here. ColourPop. So this soon run out. It don't have a lot of it. No, this is not ColourPop. This is from Miss A, and I got this from $1 from Miss A. So this is a nice matte lipstick color. So in here I have this brows pencil. So this is where you fix your brows, and this is where the pencil is. Next in this bag I have a huge, my sister got this from Walmart. This is like makeup brushes. So a lot of makeup brushes right here. Bada bing, bada boom, makeup brushes. Look at all these makeup brushes. Yeah, so she bought this huge makeup brush kit. So let me tie this off. Next we have this eyeshadow palette. This is a mini eyeshadow palette. Is this a mini? Yes, this is a mini. This reminds me of a cute little mini iPad. So inside of it, let me open it. You just click it like this, click it open, and voila. Wow! So these are like neutral colors. One thing I don't really like, I like it to be neutral colors. I don't like a lot of colors in my eyes unless I am going for that dramatic look. Yeah, so let's see what's else in here. We have a brush, an eyeshadow palette, oh, but it's not. We have a comb, and we have a comb again. So I guess that is it. I am sweating, and here is hot because I have to turn my fan off. So thank you guys for watching GlamorousMorana channel, and don't forget to subscribe, give this a like. Bye.